Now I'm about to do that. What's going on, everyone? It's another day, another wave. We're out here in the middle of nowhere on Vancouver Island, and we're just going for a little bush romp. For today's mission, I'm joined by my partner, Kate Lightstone from Starseed Awakening Co. And we're on the hunt for some secluded waves in this remote part of the coast. So yeah, we're about to descend into the depths of the rainforest here, and we have no idea what to expect when we get to the other side. So sit back, grab your favorite snack, and hope you all enjoy the adventure. Oh, now we're getting right into the jungle here. Oh my God, you do not want to fall in there. So muddy. Although it inevitably happens once every trip down here. Holy. Oh. Now that is some juicy mud. What was that?
A frog.
Oh, no way. Oh, the forest is so quiet. Look at that tree. It's huge. Wow. Couple snacks. We're almost there. The last little boggy section. good words to live by. Oh my god, it's actually working. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at that. Oh! It's so sick. Oh my god, it's totally wedging. Dude, what? Oh my god, look at that. Little wedge right off the rock. Oh! Aftanas, Long Beach Surf Shop, Feather Fins, Mrs. Rumpkins, Starseed Awakening Co., and more. All right, we're fully suited. There's some nice little shoulder high sets coming in and super wedgy. And you know, on a day like this, it's just no expectations. It's just so nice to be out in the middle of the wilderness, find a little wave to yourself, and you know, just enjoy the natural surroundings. So without further ado, super shallow in here. Couple rocks. God, I ended up right on the rock on that one. Ah! it for today, y'all. Thank you so much for watching and for all the support. Check out the links in the description if you want to check out my prints and my other work. And we'll see y'all in the next one.